Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast without milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 large eggs for every 4 slices of bread. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and a small pinch of salt to the eggs. Whisk these together until well combined. This creates the essential custard base for your toast, ensuring a rich flavor even without dairy. Now for the milk substitute. You can simply use a few tablespoons of water to thin the egg mixture slightly. Alternatively, a splash of orange juice adds a bright, citrusy note, or try a dairy-free milk like almond or oat milk if you have it. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a dash of cinnamon for that classic French toast aroma and taste. With your batter ready, it's time to dip the bread. Use sturdy bread like challah or brioche, about 1 inch thick. Quickly dip each slice into the egg mixture, letting it soak for just a few seconds on each side. Then, place the soaked bread onto a preheated, lightly buttered griddle or frying pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until beautifully golden brown. Your homemade French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite toppings. A drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or some fresh berries make wonderful additions. For an extra fluffy texture, consider using slightly stale bread, as it absorbs the custard better without becoming soggy. This simple method proves you don't need milk for amazing French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.